we are using domestic animals bones, and those domestic animal bones, just four we are using: cow bone, camel, sheep, and goat. So our bones we do buy from slaughterhouses. Sometimes we go within Nairobi in small hotels and pay them money. We come with the bones in our workshop. Our workshop we are in Soweto, Kibera, near the Olympic Estate. We just sell them different places. Within Nairobi, we sell them in city center. Sometimes we can get a customer from outside, we send to them. I'm paying school fee from this business. I'm buying my food from this business. I'm managing my work from this business. So it's good for me to stay.